It's racing time! Wow! Ganda! Draws for your lead, moving up down on the inside. Oyster Perpetual, Minotaur running in between runners, then followed by Super Guru, Jazz Connection, while Stark is the early trailer as they race towards the half-mile pole. Oyster Perpetual being joined from the outside by Minotaur, then moving up is the favorite Jazz Connection. Wow, ganda! Super Guru and Stark still in behind them. Routing towards the 600, Oyster Perpetual, Minotaur moving up is the favorite Jazz Connection from the outside, about to throw the challenge as they race for home. Now, the course of the wind has been altered. Jazz Connection from the outside, fighting back. Oyster Perpetual once again leveling up on the outside. Minotaur with Oyster Perpetual, Jazz Connection. Minotaur is on the outside. Oyster Perpetual, Jazz Connection, Oyster Perpetual, and finally, Jazz Connection outlasting Oyster Perpetual. Third, Minotaur, then comes Super Guru, 2, Stark, and wow, ganda.
Okay, 5-3-4-1, order of arrival para sa